How to fix something went wrong creating your Instagram account.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
So, if you are facing while creating your new Instagram account, then what you have to do is the first step you have to follow is that switch your mobile data network to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to mobile data network. Then the second step what you have to do is turn on aeroplane mode for 20 seconds and turn it off after 20 seconds. Then after the third step what you can do is restart your device and try to create account again. If it doesn't fix, then you can also use another device or another data network to create your Instagram account.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.